If you have kids and you've been wanting to make cookies for them to take to school or to just snack at home, this is the perfect recipe for you. Today we are going to be making pattern marble cookies, and it's day 26 of our baking without oven series. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are going to be making pattern cookies without oven, without air fryer, and without microwave. We are going to be using our pots to bake these cookies. The first thing I'm going to do is to cream my butter or margarine and icing sugar together. So that's what I'm doing here. To get your icing sugar, you just need your normal sugar, your granulated sugar. Then you blend it with your blender until it is very smooth. Then after that, you can use it immediately. But because I did use this immediately, I blended it like a day or two. So for me to use it now, I have to sieve it to remove any form of lumps or dirt or all of that. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm already creaming the batter. If you watched till this day, the 26th of our baking without oven series, thank you very much, and I'm really grateful. I'm grateful we both made it to day 26. So the next thing we are going to do after this is to make our egg substitute. I don't want to use egg for this recipe, so I'm going to use something else to do it. And the reason I'm skipping egg is for these cookies to last long, and to also for you to be able to store it anywhere. You know, some people don't have fridge or freezer, so you can just put it in an airtight container, then put it on your cabinet and enjoy it anytime you like, and it will last as long as 6 months and it will not get spoiled. So that's why we are going to be using this mixture. So now in a small bowl, you go in with your vegetable oil, then your water, then your baking powder. The list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box or in the comment section. Please do it to check it out. So after adding everything together, you're going to give it a thorough mix so that it will be like this. You get this slurry, then you pour in the butter and the icy sugar that we already creamed together. So you go ahead and cream it together again to get the perfect texture, just like this. So the flour that you are going to be using, you are going to be pouring it in batches. You don't have to pour it at once. So I'm going to be sieving my flour. Anytime you're using flour, please sieve it to remove any form of dirt or lumps and all of that. So I'm going to add it 3 times. You can do yours 2 times. I fold in the flour two times. You can do your own 3 times. Do you get? So that's what I'm doing here. I've already sieved the first batch of flour, and I've already mixed it like this. So now you can pour in the second batch. So I'm going in with a second batch of flour. Sieve it. Please don't forget this this particular stage. Ensure that you sieve your flour, so you continue folding it in, like mixing it together. Please guys, if you watch till this stage, do not forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comment section if you are going to be trying this recipe. Thank you. So you can see now that it's already coming together. So I'm going to use my hand to fold it, to mix it together so that it will form a single ball, just the way I'm doing it. You can see the texture that we are aiming at. You can see the texture we are aiming at. Please ensure that you use the right measurements of ingredients. Like I said earlier, it will be in the description box or in the comment section. So now I'm going to take 1/3 of the dough and put it in another dough. This is because we are making pattern cookies, chocolate pattern cookies. So after doing that, the larger part of the dough, I'm going to add the cornstarch into it. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then I'll mix it together. Do not worry if it's looking like it's not going to come together. Don't worry, it will come together, or you have to keep trying to make sure it comes together. Then I added 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to give it that vanilla flavor. So I mix it together. You can see how it is. It will look like it will break, but you have to handle it carefully. So after mixing it together, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder into it. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Then you mix it together till it is well incorporated. Do not forget that the list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box or in the comment section. It will be pinned. You can check out the No Oven series playlist on my channel. You'll see other amazing recipes that requires oven, but I did not use oven to bake. Thank you. So because I'm making 2 different patterns, I'm going to divide the white dough and the chocolate dough again. I'm going to divide them into 2 the way I'm doing on the screen, then put one part aside. So for the other part, you're going to bring out the vanilla flavor, I mean this one. Then you shape it into a log and cut it into 7 pieces, just the way I'm doing on the screen. After cutting it, you take one at a time, then roll it over the work surface, just as I'm doing on the screen. You gently roll it. It doesn't have to be perfect. The idea is just to get it to be together as a whole, just the way I'm doing here. So you do that. Then we do the same thing for the chocolate dough. But this time around, we are cutting chocolate dough into 6. The vanilla is 7, the chocolate is 6. So now we start with the vanilla. We start layering it just the way I'm doing. Put one down, then use your hand to flatten it a bit, then put the chocolate, then alternate it the way I'm doing right now. Just gently press them down. The idea is to get a pattern dough at the end of the day, so that we just don't have a particular color but the mixture of the 2 colors when we are cutting it. So you use your hand to shape it the way I'm doing on the screen. Please pay attention. Then you make sure that you use your hand to ensure that there is no hair between the dough. You just mold it the way I am doing on the screen. So after that, we are going to use our clear film to wrap it up, then put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Exactly 30 minutes. That's what we are going to do here. So we are going to now do the second one, because I just want it to be a variety of patterns. For the second one, just flatten the chocolate first, then flatten the vanilla, then place the vanilla on the chocolate and then roll it over carefully to get this particular pattern. also put this one also in the fridge for 30 minutes to sit there.
Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell.
Now we're going to preheat our pots. You can see that I'm dropping my air fryer rack in the pot. You can use any iron object to elevate it, to elevate your baking pan. I'm using foil paper to cover it because my pot is already damaged, so it cannot close tightly. So if your own pot close tightly, you don't need foil paper. Then I'm going to put the heat on medium low heat, just as I put it on the screen, medium low heat like this. Then I'll let it preheat for 10 minutes. So now let's bring out our dough from the fridge. This is the first one, so I'm just going to cut it into the shape and numbers that I want, just as I'm doing on the screen. If you notice, it has come together. This is the work of letting it sit in the fridge. I didn't put it in the fridge, I might not be able to cut it like this. It might scatter, but because I let it in the fridge for some time, it has cooled and became more firm. So after cutting, I gently arrange it in my pan. You can see the pattern, you can see how beautiful it is. So just arrange it in the already greased pan. For this pan, you can use parchment paper, you can put it inside, but I used oil and all-purpose flour to grease my pan. So this is the second pattern. You can see it's different from the first one. I just want to have different pattern cookies. That's why we have it like this. So you also arrange it in the other baking pan.
It's all the things you never show. There are the things.
10 minutes later, the pan has preheated. The pot has preheated enough. So I'm going to reduce the heat to the lowest, like this, to the lowest. Then I'm going to gently place the cookies inside, then cover tightly and let it bake for 30 to 40 minutes. So it might even bake in 20 minutes, depends. Well, mine baked for 40 minutes, so it is done here. It might be soft, but don't worry, just bring it out and let it cool, then it will become harder. So that's it, we're done for this. Then I place the other one in it immediately. Then I covered and I baked for another 30 minutes. It was done and I brought it out. Like I said, it might be soft at first, but you just have to leave it to cool for a while, for like 15-20 minutes to cool down before you now remove it. You can see that my own stick together. It's because I didn't leave enough space among the cookies. That's why. If you are doing yours, please just separate it well and leave enough space. So you can see how fine, beautiful our cookies look. You can make these at home to give to visitors. You can make it for your kids to take to school and also to snack on at home. You can even make it for yourself to snack on when you are working and all of that. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.